when creating the pipeline, we first selected the source code location and basic connection details. In this video, we look at a bit more about settings available with respect to a source code and how to manage that in the pipeline. So here, I've created an empty job. Let me edit the title, uh, demo pipeline. Okay, and so here with respect to source code, I go to get sources. Again, you will see the basic settings that we had selected in the initial pipeline creation screen. The repository, which you have the option to change. You can change your source of your source code, location of your source code, and you have additional options where how do you want to start every build, right? So here there's an option to whether you want to clean the complete build folder whenever a build is triggered. How do you want to start, right? So here we are saying clean the folder or clean the agent, and whether you want to clean only the source files. When I say clean, it basically deletes all the files and starts off fresh before cloning the repository. So sources is, it will only delete your source folder, and when you say all the files or folders related to that particular build will be deleted before every execution starts. And you also have the option to automatically tag the resources based on whenever there is a build. So you can basically tag the build again with a build number or any other variable that you want to use for every execution. And other option is, if your project uses submodule, then you will be able to even you have to select this option to ensure the submodules are checked out automatically. And here again you have the option to select either a nested modules or only the top level. So this is a important feature or a setting that you need to enable to have your submodules work fine. And don't sync source will basically stop the source being cloned every time an execution happens. I don't. There may not be scenario where you don't want to get the latest code. So, and shallow fetch is if you want to get only the commits of last 15 commits or 5 commits. If you want to restrict for those commits, you will have the option to shallow fetch the plugins, the source code. So this is a place where you have more options to decide how to clone, where to clone, and what is this environment that you need to enable for the code before the pipeline execution starts.